What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Losi NASCAR. Yeah, I just got this from RC Discount Superstore, but it was on pre-order. I got the I wanted the orange one or the green one, but I had to settle for the blue, which is fine with me. Just showing y'all the outside of the box. It's basically set up like the Grimes system-wise, battery and all that good stuff. I haven't cracked it open yet. Well, I cracked it open, but I didn't take it out the box. Now let's take a look at it briefly, and then I'm gonna take it out for a spin real quick. Let's get into it. Oh. All right, in the box you get, or in the bag, you get some AA batteries. You get a Losi sticker. And you also get a charger and a manual. Also get a bond plug, SL2 controller, and you get this awesome car. It go inside the car, set up just like the Grimes. Got the same system in the Grimes, the Armor Grimes. Same battery, 1400 milliamp battery, 30C 2S battery. They go the layout on the inside. I kind of like how Losi's look a little better. Then you got this licensed body right here. This thing is nice though. I'm telling y'all, the orange one, all of them is way better when you see them in person. Here go the inside. Got a spoiler in the back. Nice little soft compound. Front. It's the Mustang. Represent Horizon Hobby. This is the back of the car, side of the car, roof of the car, and the other side. Now back to the car itself. These tires, it almost feel like it's foam in there. 4-wheel drive, oil-filled shocks. Shocks not bad. Have a little bounce in the front. And this is a complete RTR, ready to run straight out the box. You ain't got to buy no additional parts for it. You get the battery for the car, battery for the transmitter, you get the bond plug, you get everything. Only thing you don't see, you don't get no tools. They got a even the upgrade manual. You got lots of upgrades for this car. And at the shop, I was at the shop today, and we was looking at some foam tires, but they won't fit. I'm trying to find some foam tires for this. So if anybody got any suggestions about foam tires, put it in the comment below. Let me know. About to take this thing out for a spin real quick. How you cut this thing on? Yeah, before I get into it, I forgot to mention they got that front diffuser right here. Foam bumper, got that diffuser in the back and one in the front. This thing is nice though. Perfect. Yep, got her out now. Whoa. And of course I ran into a big pile of dust. So I gotta fix that steering trim. That thing is way off. Fuck, that thing was not straight. Not bad, you know. It's a little rough out here. My driveway is a little rough, and it seems like it's really not having a problem. Maybe on some crazy size, but back here it's not smooth at all. It's actually hooking up and everything. know, this is a good little race truck in its own class, right? So what you could do with this, but it's handling off the box is pretty good. So we might have a little event going on with these cars where we're gonna race these, set up a nice little obstacle course. It's hooking up back here. I think Street's gonna be probably because they're gonna be it's gonna be to a place where they're like yeah, I'm a Street, I think it's gonna slide a little more. Back here it's a grip, so actually on point. Finally found something that rides pretty good back here. I don't think none of my cars can handle back here. Except for my big cars. And I like this so far, man. Just to give it a little more push. I say maybe 3S. She is not bad. I just wanted to bring her out here real quick, take her for a spin, give you my thoughts, my first initial thoughts. This is a must-have, man. Losi killed it. When they joined the grime movement, they did a good job of this. I'll be out here all day driving this, man. I don't think I'm gonna upgrade this. Kind of want a little more speed out of it though, maybe 3S. Maybe 3S. Give it a little more power, but it's fine the way it is. Don't sit too low. There's a diffuser in the front, keep it from lifting and put more power to it. So nice little upgrade job. Just take it off the truck. Somebody gonna be putting 6S in the center later. We're gonna have the NASCARs on 6S and 12S. Getting like 200 miles an hour. Yeah, this thing is fun, dog. And they got clear bodies, upgrades, so sky is the limit. I want to see what people are gonna do with this thing. As always, hope you enjoyed that video. Leave a comment below. Hit that like notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.